નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, મેથ્સ એન્ડ ઇંગ્લિશ યુટ્યુબ ચેનલમાં આપ સૌનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે. આજે આપણે ધોરણ 7 અંગ્રેજી વિષયના અસાઇનમેન્ટ સોલ્યુશનમાં ક્વેશ્ચન 5D એસે રાઇટિંગ કે જે એસે આપેલ છે એના પર 6 વાક્યો લખવાના છે તેનો અભ્યાસ કરીશું. સૌપ્રથમ માય ફેવરાઇટ ટીચર વિશે જોઈએ. માય ફેવરાઇટ ટીચર્સ નેમ ઇઝ અવનીબેન દવે. She teaches us English. I enjoy her teaching. Avniben is young and active. She always wears lovely saris. She is kind and gentle. She never gets angry. She is very helpful to all of us. Sometimes she tells us stories. She loves us. All the students obey her. I love and respect her. હવે નેક્સ્ટ આપણે અ વિઝિટ ટુ અ ઝૂ એસેનું રીડિંગ કરીશું. અ વિઝિટ ટુ અ ઝૂ. લાસ્ટ સન્ડે I visited the zoo with my friends. We bought tickets and went in. First, we saw the lovely deer. They were running around in the enclosure. Then we went to cages where the monkeys and the gorillas were kept. The monkeys were jumping all over the cage. The gorillas were sitting quietly. We also saw rabbits, lions, tigers, zebras, and giraffes. The bears were sitting quietly in their cages. We also saw many birds like peacocks, parrots, and ostriches. There were snakes and crocodiles too. We had an elephant ride. We enjoyed our visit to the zoo. A visit to a fair જોઈએ. Last Sunday, I visited a fair with my friends. There was a big crowd at the fair. There were many small shops. There were toy shops and fruit shops. There were tea stalls and snack bars too. There was a giant wheel and a merry-go-round. There was a balloon man, a juggler, and a rope walker at the fair. We enjoyed the fair. ત્યારબાદ નેક્સ્ટ માય હોબી એસેનો અભ્યાસ કરીએ. My hobby is reading books. I like to read story books. Reading is a good brain exercise. It is a very good habit. I read books every day. I have collection of many books. The Last Hope is my favorite book. Reading books gives us a lot of knowledge. I read books at least 2 hours in a day. Reading books can improve our speaking skills. But next, my favorite festival. Diwali is a festival of lights. It is my favorite festival. It is a 5-day festival. Before Diwali, we clean our house. Mother makes some special sweets for Diwali. We buy new clothes and crackers. We make colorful rangolis. At night, we light earthen lamps. Children burst crackers and enjoy the festival. On the New Year Day, We get up early, we wear new clothes and go to the temple. We wish one another a happy new year. હવે આપણે માય ફેવરાઇટ એનિમલ વિશે અભ્યાસ કરીશું. The lion is my favorite animal. It is a wild animal. It lives in the forest. It is called the king of the forest. The lion has thick long hair on its neck. It is called mane. The lion has sharp teeth and claws. The lion is a very strong animal. It roars. It lives in a den. The female lion is called a lioness. The baby lion is called a cub. Thanks for watching this video. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, આવા જ અવનવા ઉપયોગી વિડીયો જોવા માટે અમારી ચેનલ મેથ્સ એન્ડ ઇંગ્લિશને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો અને વિડીયોને લાઇક કરવાનું ભૂલશો નહીં અને વિડીયોને તમારા મિત્રો સુધી શેર કરો. આભાર આપ સૌનો.